life, freedom!
Woman life freedom!
Woman life, freedom!
Woman life freedom!
Woman life, freedom!
Democracy for Iran, Iran for everyone!
Democracy for Iran, Iran for everyone!
We don't want first-class citizens and second-class citizens.
Voice! Be their 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 voice!
Freedom for Iran, Iran for everyone!
Freedom for Iran, Iran for everyone!
I have a few words to our non-Iranian friends. We have a famous poem in Iran from our poet Sa'di Shirazi, 13th century poet. It says this: human beings are members of a whole. Human beings are members of a whole.
CBC, be their voice! 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 CBC, be their
For Iran!
democracy for Iran!
Democracy for Iran!
Democracy for Iran!
Down with Islamic Republic in 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 Iran!
Down with Islamic Republic